thought you want a cuff? Is a thought you want a cuff? Is a thought.
I'm so mad at myself for getting taken in by a loving liar!
Why me take some baby steps, walking in the club.
Wow, did not see that coming.
I did.
Fucking all these hoes, kidding, I fuck boys, bitch, I got hella girls, no niggas, I got toys. I be riding.
Oh my God, it's Fly the producer. We kissed and your nigga was right there, oh right there.
You love another psychopath sitting next to you. You love another murderer sitting next to you. You think I'd get this sitting next to you. But after all I said, please don't forget.
I'm skinny. I'm rich. And I'm a little bit of a bitch. Armed, skinny, rich, bitch. Armed, skinny, rich, bitch. Check out.
Kinda look familiar. I had to call down you.
Dear Lord, could you please have mercy?
Rock or bitch on me.